as Arkansas Governor Asa Hutchinson called on them to help meet the demand for COVID-19 testing and ease the burden on hospitals. Thanks for joining us. I'm Erica Thomas.
And I'm Darren Bobb. The state also distributing more than 200,000 at-home state test kits across the state. This all in an effort to help slow the spread of the Omicron variant. 5 News reporter Micah Wilson live in Springdale now. And Micah, these tests going quickly as they come in.
Darren and Erica, yeah, they are leaving quickly, and we got our first big bulk of these at-home testing kits, and they were given to the majority of our local libraries as well as county health units. And you may want to call before you go and stop by and pick one up, because a lot of them are left with signs like these saying that they're currently out and they're waiting on the next shipment.
Active cases have doubled since the last week.
A week ago, we were at a record-breaking 32,000 active cases. Now we're at more than 64,000, and the state is working to increase hospital capacity.
This will provide us with 265 beds.
To combat the number of cases and hospitalizations, Governor Asa Hutchinson says we need to do 3 things: wear masks, get vaccinated, and increase our testing. Tuesday, 50 National Guard members were mobilized in our state to help hospitals.
Freed up their hands to go help those who are in dire straits. They weren't having to do intake forms, and it helped speed up the process of getting people tested.
Lieutenant Colonel William Phillips with the Arkansas National Guard says across our region, we have less than 24 members, with 16 in Northwest Arkansas and 4 in the River Valley.
We're always ready and always there to help our Arkansans who are in need.
The state is also delivering on their promise of 1.5 million at-home rapid COVID-19 tests. Tuesday, the state received 211,000 kits. You can pick them up at local health units and some libraries in the area while supplies last.
I started handing out about 3 o'clock, and they were gone by 5:30.
Jessica Reed with the Springdale Public Library says it took less than 2 hours to give out the over 1,000 at-home test kits to residents. A similar situation at the Fort Smith Public Library. It received 400 test kits and ran out 20 minutes later. So you might want to call before heading out, and be sure to give them grace.
Call numbers for our stats just pretty much tripled for the numbers that we get. I mean, it's just constant pickup, ring.
The governor is hoping these mitigation efforts will help lower the Omicron threat, but wants Arkansans to know this:
You can't stop living. You can't be calling for suspension of public interactions.
Now, that was the governor sending a direct response to ACI, who yesterday sent out recommendations to high-risk individuals to shelter in place and stay at home, and to schools with a large number of COVID cases in the community to go and turn virtual. Now, back on to those testing kits. Once you pick one up, you will receive 1 per visit per person. And for families, you can receive 3 of these testing kits. Now, each of them come with 2 tests inside them. Live in Springdale, covering news where you live, Micah Wilson, 5 News.
All right, Micah, thanks. Now, Governor Hutchinson says a shipment of nearly 400,000 at-home testing kits is on its way to Arkansas. It could arrive as early as tomorrow. If you'd like to find a list of the locations in Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley where they're being distributed, you can find a link on our homepage at 5newsonline.com. At the top of the website, there's a tab that says COVID-19 testing resources. When you click on that link, you'll be sent directly to the Arkansas Department of Health's website for its testing guidance. Scroll down from there, you'll find this map. It shows testing and screening locations throughout the state.